What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Today we're out here at Diablo East. Hopefully it's not windy this time. It's literally like dead calm right now, so it's supposed to get windy later on in the day, but that's like 12 miles an hour, so it shouldn't be too bad. But today I'm gonna be I can't talk today. I just woke up. Today I'm going to be testing out two baits that are pretty pricey and see if they catch any fish. So topwater is one of them, and right now I saw so many fish busting, so we're going to put it up to the test, see if it's really worth it, and see if we can make something happen and catch a ton of fish today. Hopefully we can. Let's get to it. All right, folks, so fish won't stop busting. I'm trying to talk quietly because, I mean, look at that. I'm going to cast right there. Like, it's insane. Here we go, topwater bait. This is a good bait. I like it, actually. I like it a lot. I mean, look how far I can cast. All the way over there. I mean, I'm not even close to making noise over there. That bait looks really good, but we'll see if it actually catches fish. The action is good, but it's all about the performance. Literally haven't gotten not even a small blow up. I mean, fish were at it left and right this morning. I literally don't know what's going on. There's a fish swimming right next to me looking for bait. Like, what in the world is going on? I mean, I've never used this bait, but come on, it can't be that bad. I don't know, this bait was $8, and for it to not catch a fish on a morning like this where every single fish is busting, yeah, it's I don't know, that's quite a bit of a letdown. All right, folks, so the first bait, topwater bait, expensive bait for today, Yozuri 3DB. I think in bone white is the color. First bait of the day. Was it worth it? No, in my opinion it wasn't. I'm sure, I feel like I've seen people use this bait a lot, and I'm sure people have just slayed them with this bait, but in my opinion I don't like it, and I have a few reasons for that. First of all, I hate and I like that it's heavy, but I think it's too heavy to where the bait just lands on the water really hard. I mean, it could also be like the person who's fishing it casting really far, which is me, and it landing on the water super hard. That's one downside to it. I like that it casts really far. I like that it can make those extremely far casts because of how heavy it is, but it's also a downside because it spooks fish, you know. Another thing is the hooks on it. I don't know if y'all saw it, but the hooks on it are really big, honestly. I think too big for the bait. You could go a little bit smaller. I mean, they're kind of a good size, but I think you could go a little bit smaller on the hooks, and that would honestly help out with the less flashiness of a bait, because fish here, when you're fishing a pressured area, they know what a hook looks like. They know what a bait looks like. So that's another downside. One more downside I have on it is that it's very loud. It's good thing to have noise, a rattle, but it's really loud. It's obnoxiously loud. It goes clank 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 when you're walking on the water, which is good. You want the fish to hear your bait, but it's just too loud. It's too loud, and I think it was spooking off the fish on an early morning, calm morning, quiet like this. That's not gonna attract fish. That's not what attracts fish, you know. For me, it wasn't worth it in turn to use that bait, to honestly buy that bait for $8 or $9, something like that. Next, we're gonna try the bandito bug, which I have used and I am a fan of, but we're gonna give it a shot today. Water clarity is good. It is calm, not windy. Less talking, more fishing. Let's get to it. That's a fish. That's a fish right there. First fish of the day. Oh, that's a nice one. That is a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Get the net. Get the net. That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. That is a big fish. First fish to start off the day. Wow, I'm just fishing this ledge right here. Huge difference from the morning, honestly. Huge freaking difference. That would be a 5-pounder if it was not spawned out. Nice fish right here. Top water didn't work out this morning. He spit out the bait right there. I knew I had to keep tension on him because I knew it was close. Not bad. Skinny paper fish. I mean, that fish is skinny. Honestly, 5-pounder. Nah, probably 4.5 all day if it was spawn season, but it's not. It would be probably 5-pounder, pushing 5 if it had a big belly. Not a bad fish, nevertheless. Big fish, not bad. I will take it. I mean, right away, bandito bug, got it done. First fish of the day. Super long fish, honestly, very, very long. Gonna go ahead and release this fish. Go eat some real bait, buddy. Is that a fish? I have a fish on. That's a fish. It was a small fish. Oh, that's a fish. No. That's a fish right there. Oh my gosh. You've got to be kidding me. What'd you catch him on?
A little Ned rig.
On a Ned rig?
Yeah. And I forgot it. I forgot my Ned rig.
I just lost one.
Ooh, there you go. Yeah. Dude, they're wanting on bottom, bro.
That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh, okay. Get in here, buddy. Yes. Finally. Okay. Oh my gosh. Yes. Finally. Second fish of the day. We had been waiting for this fish for forever. Oh my gosh. I've lost 4 or 5 fish. I don't even know. I just wanted to catch one more fish. We caught one more fish. Oh my gosh. Second fish of the day. Not a giant, but aggressive fish. I will take it. Well, my GoPro just bugged out, so hopefully I caught that on camera. Second fish of the day, everyone. I don't know if my GoPro got it on camera. Hopefully it did, because that would suck if I lost that footage. But there it is. Second fish of the day. I fished my butt off for this fish. Lost so many fish and caught one fish, but second fish, we did it. Gonna go ahead and release this fish back in the water. There he goes. After trying to catch a fish for so long, we finally made it happen. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. I'm walking up the boat ramp. I don't know why this ramp is so huge. I mean, come on, like the water is all the way down there. It is so exhausting, but either way, I'm walking back up right now. Not a bad day of fishing, I guess. I lost like 4 or 5 fish in total, which sucked, but I caught 2 fish there at the end. I managed to come in clutch with 1 fish. Expensive baits. Okay, so top water bait, I already explained the downsides to it, why I don't like it. And Guggen baits, the bandito bug, honestly, really good bait. I got so many bites today. It was just my fault that I couldn't hook set into the fish. That was my bad. I would have ended up catching like 6 fish today if I would have caught all the fish that bit that bait today, but I caught 2. It is what it is. That bait honestly did an outstanding job today. It was putting the hammer down, not gonna lie. I gotta say, the Guggen baits win. You're getting the quality there, and it's a good price for what it is. I mean, you catch a lot of fish for $5 or so, which is still expensive, but if you catch fish and the bait performs well, it's all worth it. $8 bait, not so much. Either way, I'm running out of breath. I can't even talk. I'm running out of breath. I'm sweating. The sun is beaming down on me. That is going to effectively end today's video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. 4 more subs as of now to get to 400, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below for any future video ideas. With that being said, I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.